we at on the map, illest city out.
Your daughter. Yeah. So like Pittsburgh merchandise.
Come and meet my team, meet my team, meet my team. You know all about me. Come and meet my team. Meet my team. You know all about me. Come and meet my team. And if you see me, I'm doing my team. Got my homie Billy, probably in Supreme. Jimmy and Will be selling shirts to the fans while trees and clock. They got you.
What are you really doing? Not compared to other people, but compared to what you're capable of, right?
Like a gang strip, city after city, everybody speak.
Drip, drip.
We just flex. Yeah, go flex checks.
I can't stop.
What's up, Mr. Gray?
What's up, man? We're en route, bro. We're en route. That's what's happening.
I can't stop.
The season, man. The season.
We're doing this like hashtag NP road trip. You saw that? Driving on a journey.
Seal coating versus non-seal coating?
Turned down for what?
Isn't it funny how unstoppable you feel when you get the right people, man?
I love seeing all the positivity getting spilled out in the world.
Paving is what takes care of the roads in the city of Louisville and all over the world.
What's up?
No, it's awesome. When you look in the mirror and you see a nasty good fella right in front of you, it's kind of like a mirror, right? Check this out. Watch this.
And be honest, be sincere, and love everybody, and just, you know what, do good to others.
Nasty.
Good.
Nasty easy.
You feeling nasty good? I'm feeling nasty good.
I can't stop.
You know who this is from? All of our clients. That feeling of family, band of brothers, connecting to people that are like-minded. And right here, he's inspirational, he motivates, and it's an honor to be here in Kentucky with you right now, man, in Louisville. Great having you guys. Thanks for all you do.
TV Cribs.
That brand around our integrity and our morals and our culture, and we're proud of it. It's all about the people. We've talked about it all morning.
RY 30 to the mix.
Adding this melter to our seal coating operation was humongous last year. We're always chasing the better product, you know, like how can we get better? How can we get better?
I think the key to that is momentum.
That's what gets me out of bed every morning. And I feel like a damn thoroughbred that's sitting at the gate waiting to run the Kentucky Derby. It's all about who you put around you, and maximizing your logistics and your production, and it can be piece by piece.
Having experts like you in the industry assist with building out a process that can be given to people who are really seeking that process plan
These are 10 basic things that we as humans can do.
And the ADC Paving right up at the top. To the whole team here at ADC Paving, to the brotherhood that you guys have built and molded, congratulations, man. And remember, when adversity and challenge presents itself, face it with your golden sword and cut through that shit like butter and move on with that momentum.
Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.